Aston Martin is going to build a mid-engine supercar. But that's not all, it's planning a baby Valkyrie and a Lagonda SUV too, all of which were on show at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. And here's the carwow top 10 things you need to know about these all-new Astons. This is the Aston Martin Vanquish Vision concept, and it previews Aston's first mid-engine production supercar. It's set to go on sale in 2022, priced from around £250,000, and it will rival the likes of the new Ferrari F8 and the McLaren 720S. The design of the production version of the Vanquish isn't likely to change all that much from this concept. It will have a similarly sleek body and be powered by a Formula 1 inspired twin-turbocharged V6 engine with around 700 horsepower. Rather than focusing on track driving, the Vanquish will be set up mainly for on-road use. As a result, it will be built on a bonded aluminium chassis rather than using a more rigid and higher-tech carbon fibre tub. The second of Aston's new cars is the AM-RB003 hypercar. It's a partnership between Aston Martin and Red Bull, which is using its Formula 1 know-how to create a mid-engine hypercar to compete with the likes of the McLaren Senna. The 003 will also use an F1-inspired V6 turbo similar to that in the Vanquish. However, it will be boosted by hybrid power for even greater performance. What's more, it will be a limited-run car as only 500 will be made. Along with offering active aerodynamics called FlexiFoil, this Aston gets a Formula 1-style sealed lubrication system, so you can change the engine oil in just 90 seconds. Incidentally, that's quicker than a Halfords employee can fit a windscreen wiper. This is the all-terrain concept, and it previews an electric SUV from Aston Martin's even posher wing, Lagonda. Apparently, all future Lagonda cars will be electric only and built at a new factory in Wales. Aston hasn't given out details on mundane things like power, range, or charging times. Instead, all it's revealed is that the Lagonda has a viewing platform so you can survey your country estate, while its key levitates between the front seats. How odd. Aston Martin's press release says the Lagonda, and I quote, "Such is its futuristic design that you could as easily imagine it roaming the surface of Mars as a mountain road in Scotland." What a load of bull. Sorry, I meant Red Bull. Thankfully, there was something real on the Aston stand in Geneva, the first ever running prototype of the Valkyrie. Its V12 petrol engine produces 1,000 horsepower at 10,500 RPM, while the addition of electric motors boosts the total output to an impressive 1,160 horsepower. If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel or to watch more content on the bottom right-hand corner. However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at carwow.